No. Hi guys. So we have arrived. Hi Toby. Hey yo. We have Shan here. So yes, we have arrived. Royal Decameron Cornwall Beach. Cornwall. That's not Cornwall Beach yet. So our room is not yet ready, so we're waiting. So yeah. In a reach 3 o'clock yet. So yeah, she just want to go in at the beach. And meanwhile, I'm hungry, so yeah, I'm waiting. Good afternoon. Look at that. What's your afternoon? How are you? Hi. Alright, so hi Toby.
Hey y'all.
So we're gonna
So don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a next friend, and a friend, and a friend, after them.
wait.
To like and subscribe.
Alright guys, so we are ready. So Tovia's outfit is a black dress with some gold shoes, with a black and white mask,
Gold accessories.
gold accessories.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shanique, what's your outfit? It's a, what kind of stripe? No.
I don't know, stripe, I think.
Yeah, with our black
slippers. Wait, go there.
She are giving up all of that. Weird. Yes, model it. Woo! You go, girl. Anyways, so this is my OOT day for the night. I'm wearing this. I kind of want full length thing. My shorts the down here so somewhere. Anyways, so it's a choker looking thing.
Why are you?
I have a black under blouse under it because too much titties. We got a joggers thingy, some slippers which I hardly wear, so yeah, thank God feet what them do. Yeah, so that's it for the night. I mean, I carry my black bag. Yeah. Woohoo!
My outside. Next outside. Yes, I'm outside. For our patio.
For our patio.
Oh my God.
yes. Okay, so it's after 12, probably almost 1 o'clock, I don't know. And we're gonna go to sleep. Yeah, we're gonna go to sleep because we're tired. Yeah, we went to the grill area. I ate like fries and a hot dog meat and drank some orange juice. No, orange juice. Yeah, orange juice. So I drank some orange juice, and right now I'm gonna get ready for bed, and then I'm not gonna sleep exactly right now because I need to like let the food sit for a little. So yeah, and then I'll go to bed. So I'm just signing off. So I think this is gonna be the end of today's vlog. Bye. Good morning, guys. So we have these two. Me up, met bed and all. Look at them. I have to open the door for them. You know, open the window for them. She want a view and I call Jeffrey. You can imagine. Anyways, guys, our view this morning. It's so nice to wake up to this. Good morning, Toby. Good morning, Shanique. May I come over there and jump on him now? Morning. Anyways, people, I'm gonna get ready. They can stay in bed. Good morning, guys. So yeah, I'll put on my bath suit. This is my bath suit. I'm gonna like it top like that because y'all know the kind of top I have. So yeah, this is the top. I'm too like it, but like I wear it today. Anyways, that's for today. When I could lie and sit at the bathroom. I saw no, so we are real friend. Wanna look at this. So this is for Shani, this is for Tovia. She has a smaller one to hers, and this is mine. The black one is mine. Tovia has the silver, Shani has the pink. But yeah, that's what is it today. Them can't talk, you see? Jeez. Alright, so this is like my, I'm gonna bathe. I think I should bathe first before I do my skin routine. I'll be quiet towards every chance to vlog at you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna hold a shower right now, right? And then get ready. After. I'm showing my outfit a while ago. Them are take long. Them really are take long. But anyways, we are here. It's Saturday morning. I don't know if I'm gonna post a vlog this morning because the things are kind of hard to send to the phone right now. Tovia. Hello. And Shani taking her little time to come out here.
Let them see my drip.
Alright, so this is her outfit of the day. Girl, guys, I'm in love with the shots here. Wait, no? And she's in a, what is teal something with a nice.
It's a vlog, so
guys are outside. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah. So guys, it's breakfast time. I decided to sit out here. Well, we get a chance to sit here so today. and put y'all down there. So, guys, what's the plan for today? No plan? Have fun? Good morning. Not bad. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Sorry.
This is my test to see if y'all are awake, you know.
I am alive.
We're awake and alive and enthusiastic. Thank you.
So by the way, I'm telling all the server for the morning.
Oh, you're Kevin. First time I'm seeing you.
So may I offer y'all some waters here? Maybe an orange or pineapple.
Pineapple juice, please.
Okay, it's
Orange juice.
Right?
Orange juice.
Okay, so 1 pint of oranges. So whenever you're ready, you know that you can have
Okay.
Okay.
I think me take me off eating.
She put me in front her, you see? Shades.
Guys.
I'm hiding from the paparazzi.
Well, like she can't eat. I'm looking for it.
Hiding from the paparazzi. Listen, me have a mission, you hear me?
She said she had eat 7,000 per
Shall
day.
be fulfilled.
How much gone for that since there?
Well, no time, I do a 3 grand already, you know.
3 grand, alright. No, like seriously, I got just zoom in for the things them. Yes, those are the stuff. And the other plate over there, so.
I can go down, watch. What you gonna say?
Alright.
Just wait.
Remember say I tell like a place like up here?
At what time?
I don't know. Like what time?
9:22. Yeah, man, that time. I'm having one. Yeah, man. Me I work on the belly.
Well, mine done. Me can't even reach my fruits to open with the belly food, could I? Alright guys, so she kinda get rid of some of the food.
I can't go no further.
She bulk.
I will learn a lesson.
Learn lesson. This a girl I know if you learn nothing. When it come out to food, no, I doubt it.
Never sleep, never belly a cake.
Girl.
Honestly,
But yeah.
ain't going in the river. In the sea.
Yes, you see what
The kayaking. There is kayaking. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Yes, guys. We are here. Yeah. I don't know. I just can't get over this view. Ready to fall.